Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today video is short but very important because today in this video I will discuss the steps involved in calculating the bar bending schedule of a floor column. Okay, so what are the steps which when we follow these steps by which we can get the bar bending schedule of a floor column. So let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Remember guys, these are the steps. First of all, remember, steel required for the construction in order in kg or number of bars. The standard size of each bar is 12 meter from factory. So remember this point. Second, calculating the bar bending schedule of the column is divided into two parts: main reinforcement calculation and tie calculation. As you can see guys, this is tie. This one we calculate its lateral ties, and the other is longitudinal bars. As you can see, these are longitudinal bars. So the bar bending schedule is divided into two categories or two parts: main reinforcement calculation and tie calculations. Okay, now tie are also called longitudinal reinforcement. This is one of the important point also, and main bars are called main reinforcement. This is the other point. Now guys, bar bending schedule of a floor column reinforcement, main reinforcement. So finding the length of single main bar. As you can see, this is single main bar. As you can see here, its section. So this is single bar. Second, find the total length of main bar. Find the total length of main reinforcement. Single bar and total length. Okay. Third, calculating the weight of steel required for 1 meter of main reinforcement. Fourth, find out the total weight of steel required for main reinforcement. Now guys, you can see this is RCC column from the top view. Here guys, you can see this color. So this is concrete cover. You can see this is concrete. Okay, and concrete cover is this one. As you can see clearly, this is concrete cover. Now guys, you can see the black color. So this is main reinforcement. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see this color. Okay, so this is ties. This is ties are longitudinal bars. You can say, as I told you before, that the ties are also called longitudinal reinforcement. Okay, so this is longitudinal bars. As you can see, this one also hooks. You can see. Now guys, look at the above image of the pictorial presentation of main reinforcement in column. Observe the concrete cover and check here how to deduct concrete cover to find the length of each ties. So when you want to find the length of ties, so there you will deduct the concrete cover, as I told you here. So this is concrete cover, this is concrete cover. Okay, for example, if the size of the column is 12 by 12 inches, so you will deduct the concrete cover. For example, if the concrete cover is 1.5 inch, so each side is 10.5 inch. So this is the same thing. Now guys, you can see the longitudinal bars. So this is the section. Here you can see this is overlap length. So from the foundation you can see this is ground level. Okay, so these are longitudinal reinforcement, and these are main bars. The black you can see main bars, and longitudinal reinforcement also, as I told you, these are ties are also called longitudinal reinforcement. So guys, you can see this is slab, and above the slab you can see the overlap again, etc. Okay, so this is. Now look at the longitudinal reinforcement and main bars in the above image to understand the finding to the number of longitudinal bars. You can see we have 4 numbers. So at one side you can see only 2 steel rods. Okay guys, so this is a very easy way to know the steps involved calculating the bar bending schedule of floor plan. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.